Good morning, all. Welcome to another webinar, the third one of Effective Traders. Today is the 15th of November. Yeah, 15th of November. We're halfway through the second last month of the year. So, yeah, we're gonna get straight into the trades that we're looking for the following week. Um, I haven't sent analysis in the past 2 weeks because of the fundamentals were really messing up the technicals. So there was no clear direction with the president elections in the US and a possible cure for the coronavirus. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the market, right? Okay, so fundamentals for the week. I do see a lot of euro news and USD news. So euro will be one of the key pairs I'd believe to move. So probably euro USD would be a good pair to watch or most volatile in this week. But there isn't some hectic news coming out, no interest rate decision. Maybe the only important one would be this employment change with AUD. Let's see how that goes. Um, okay, straight into the charts. This won't be a long webinar because basically for the entire year, I've decided to just focus on these, right? These pairs. Um, I'm focusing less on USD. These are only pairs I see as clear, basically, for now until the end of the year. Because we've got like about 30 days left. Because trading really slows down from the 15th of December. So since the 15th of November, I'm expecting just until to trade until the 15th of December, then come back next year on the 15th of January. But yeah, let's get straight onto it. Okay, starting with the indices. This is what I see. This is Nasdaq. I'm seeing this reversal pattern. It's like a reversal W and then it comes down with major resistance in this zone. You will see from daily that we've rejected always in the zone. So we've rejected in the zone, came back halfway, rejected in the zone. I'm expecting a drop. Um, there is currently a rising wedge, right? So there is this rising wedge happening at the moment. So probably just waiting for some little up movement, a possible just five wave move. 0, 1, 2, 3, probably 4, 5. Probably a move like that. That could happen. So this is 1, 2. From there, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Probably 4, 5. Maybe it's gonna go back there, but I'm more seeing an APC actually. So 0, A, B, C, and then a drop. Actually, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this APC, and then since I'm looking for a down movement, from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting a certain move like that. I'm really looking for a down move, a breakout to the downside. But at the moment, the major area to break would be the 61.8 zone. So that's the zone that I'm looking to break to confirm if I'm going higher to this level or I'm going to turn here. So I really respect the 61.8. Really respect this zone. So I'm looking for downside. I am looking for downside. But yeah, that zone, the 12035, is where I would see the best opportunity. If I see a reversal candle around there, I will sell. Currently, for the next maybe 3 hours, Monday, might buy until then the sell comes in. So that's what I'm looking for. But my bias long term is I'm going short. I'm going short. I'm coming to this level. Technically, US 30 currently on week. Yeah, currently it's at a resistance area because it reached the highest point and rejected with the parent bar. So that tells me there's a reversal that happened last week. So I'm expecting some reversal there. It is resistance of this area here and supply resistance. So breakout retest, it's a good area to sell. So I'm looking for some downside there. Entry wise, a possible. I like the W formation, but yeah, there's this formation that I really love, which is and really works. It's like a W, like an something like that. So it might just push a little bit higher, just a little bit higher. Might push just above that area, just above that area, possibly, and then only drop. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. That to happen, then the drop. So Monday, definitely looking for buyers tomorrow, and then only the drop. Okay. Now, one thing that I've discovered is if Nasdaq and USDs go opposite directions most of the time. So let me see if I can show you what I mean. USDs on weekly. So you would notice a certain sort of pattern that happens here. You know, when NAS goes up, USDs goes down. When USDs goes up, Nasdaq really comes down. So it's like you can see it's almost a mirror image of each other. USDs went up, Nasdaq came down. So with what you see right here, if one goes up, the other one goes down, right? Good. Okay. So now back to the chart. Don't want to compare anymore. Let me just close this. So with that said, now I have said that I'm looking for downside from Nasdaq in terms of a reversal right here. So now, hence I have USDs here. Since I'm looking for downside on Nasdaq, I'm looking for buys on USDs. So, and I'm seeing buyers. At this level, I'm looking for next week weekly candle and I'm looking to go to the upside. I'm looking to buy until there, but I'm looking to go long on this pair. It's at major support, confluence area, to go to the upside. So yeah, I'm looking for some buys there. So it sort of agrees with what I'm thinking of Nasdaq falling and USDs are rising. Okay, so I usually confirm direction with these two. Okay, anyway, that's USDs are. Now, um, Japanese yen, I'm expecting strength on Japanese yen. It's been playing in this channel. Basically, I'm looking for you Japanese yen strength. It's been playing in this channel. It has bounced off that support. I'm expecting it to come up there. So I'm expecting maybe a final move to the upside, right? For Japanese yen. So I'm looking for yen strength. And then another important one, basically for the whole year, I'm going to be looking for NZD weakness. I'm looking for Japanese strength and NZD weakness. So NZD dollar in New Zealand dollar index resistance, hit resistance again. Look at that pin bar. It's just telling me that it's rejecting price at that level, at that resistance area. It has come to that resistance area many times before and rejected. So with that said, I'm expecting a down movement for New Zealand dollar to drop, right? So for the whole year, I'm looking for Japanese strength and New Zealand weakness. So let's start with New Zealand weakness on pairs, right? New Zealand weakness, let's check NZD-JPY. Resistance, resistance, resistance. We're at resistance now, NZD-JPY. So we're looking to sell this, right? Bounce, bounce, bounce to that top, looking for down movement till there, right? We're at resistance right now. Good stuff. Yeah, okay, still focusing on, what did I say focusing on? Sorry. Oh yeah, okay, let's focus on Japanese. Yes, I said the Japanese yen. I'm looking for strength. Okay, let's focus on that Japanese yen strength, right? So with that said, I said Japanese yen will drop on this pair. I'm expecting it to drop on that pair, right? As per the weekly chart. Also, that resistance keeps on being hit and that zone is respected. We're going down. Okay, so Japanese yen strength. Another one for Japanese strength. This one looks perfect. CHF-JPY keeps on hitting that resistance and dropping. Keeps on hitting, drop, hit, drop, hit, drop, hit, drop, hit, drop. So now we're dropping back to that support zone. And when you look at it, it's a perfect let's wave count to the downside. Did come up. Now we're looking for down movement. If we're looking for entry wise, we do a ABC pattern back to the top, and now we're looking for downside. So we're looking for some 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically moving down to wave 3, something like that. So we're looking for some movement to the downside. So we could come retest this area and drop, but we have come back there, retested. We're looking for shorts basically now. So I would short it on Monday, from Monday, and short it down here. So yeah, that's the Japanese yen strength coming. Okay. Now focusing on the New Zealand dollar being weak as per the indices. I'm expecting that weakness. That rejection tells me that the NZD will be weak. And the pairs that I'm looking at, obviously NZD JPY we've discussed that okay, NZD will be weak here, right? Then we have GBP NZD. GBP NZD hit support. It's on support level, rejection candle there. Weekly, we're definitely looking for that breakout to the upside, right? Euro NZD mirror image. This is a diamond pattern. Now I'm looking for that ABC. So price came. We expected it to move from here, AB, move here and move up, but it came back to retest. You can see with that rejection candle there on weekly that support is really key and holding. So we're looking for that BC move now to complete the ABC to the top. So we're really looking for that strength there. Strength on Euro NZD, which means NZD weakness, and the side NZD weakness because it's at support of GBP. So GBP is strong, gonna be strong, making that NZD weak, right? So that's what I'm looking for. Now USD CAD, I just kept it here because it's a really good setup. I'm looking for downside. Um, it came back to retest, you know, like support, breakout, retests. We expected a rejection there. It rejected. We're moving down. We're moving down. So we're really looking to go short here of USD CAD. It did reject the support zone here. If we can break this zone, we are gone. If we can break that zone, that 1.27503, we're going down. Yeah. So yes, that's what I'm looking for the week. Japanese yen strength and New Zealand weakness. So that's what I'm looking for the week and possibly the whole year. I'm gonna stick to these pairs. So yeah, that fresh areas to turn. So it's just a matter of holding until the year ends. So good luck and enjoy your week. Thank you.